Hello and welcome to Panchmat Udghosh. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day and I greet you all my viewers on this pious day. This day gives us immense pleasure as we all got freedom from the oppressive British rule. In today's world, India is progressing by leaps and bounds. We have made progress in every sector, in every possible field. Women are also growing up and we are getting good education, and the stature of India is growing larger and larger year by year. Our Indian Constitution provided two important rights to us. In Constitution, the two rights are enshrined. Article 326 gave us the right to gender equality and universal suffrage. But unfortunately, these two rights are the worst sufferers in these modern days. First, we will discuss the universal franchisee. It provides every adult Indian to vote according to his choice. But unfortunately, this democratic rule is the worst sufferer. It is being abused by powerful politicians, by powerful caste leaders. If one guy wants to vote in favor of his favorite and choicest candidate, he can't do because he is living in a village where dominant caste leaders are supporting somebody else. So he has to vote in favor of the majority. He can't cast his vote as per his own choice. So what is the purpose? Then what is the significance of this rule? If one can't exercise one's rights, so government and appropriate authorities should pay attention towards solving this problem. And another great hurdle our women suffer. Although the right to equality, gender equality, is enshrined in the Indian Constitution, but women are the worst sufferers. The article says that the government may have to do positive discrimination in favor of women, but unfortunately this is not happening. In every day, whether on TV or in newspapers, we read pathetic, horrifying news about minor girls being raped by adult demons and women being discriminated in buses, in trains, in queues of an international airport or wherever they go. As we go upward, we see the discrimination the bigger. In educated societies, women still don't have the right as they should have got with the freedom of our country. So these two rights are the worst sufferers, and I appeal to everyone to please come forward and protect our women, our girls, our girl child, and respect the law of universal adult suffrage. Thank you very much. Today we talked to two young girls, Neha Soni and Sharda Saini, about the rights to women. How do they feel in independent India? Yes, Neha Soni, please tell me about the condition of women in today's India, which is regarded as an independent country throughout the world.
Hello guys, I'm Neha Soni. Today I'm come here to discuss about women's position in our country. Although women are free according to our constitution, but we don't get freedom according to our rights. I wanted to say about something women's. We should need to protect our rights, and government take action about to protect women's right in our country.
Do you
We
suffer?
suffers-
Do you suffer discrimination?
Yeah. We suffer discrimination everywhere. Schools, college, hospital, etc.
So what do you want from the government?
Government should take steps immediately for women because women are tortured anywhere, families, friend circles, and many other spaces.
Thank you very much.